Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss what is coffee can investment. So and how I built my coffee can investment and how I am doing my investment as far as the coffee can investment is concerned. So we will learn all about this investment approach. So we have divided this video into two parts. So in first video, we will learn about what coffee can investment is, how to build your valuable portfolios and keep investing in that portfolio over the period of time and build your wealth with a marginal or very low risk. And second, what are the challenges when it comes to this coffee can investment, and what are the modification which I did in my coffee can investment portfolio. So that we all going to discuss in the first part. And in the second video, I will tell you how to make your position after building your portfolio and when to invest in those portfolio, and we will Excel sheet to understand how this investment give you a consistent gain of more than 18-20% CAGR. Before starting, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel so that it can help me build our community, and you will get a regular update on, and you will learn how to do a fundamental financials and the technical analysis of value buying stocks in the stock market. Let's start our discussion. So what is this coffee can investment is all about? So basically this coffee can investment is buy and forget kind of investment. So today you are buying some stocks in the stock market and you are forgetting that particular investment for a longer period of time, that is 5-10 years or more than 15 years even. So this long-term approach of investing in the stock market is to create your wealth with a lower possible risk. So that is all coffee can investment is. Indian context, if you want to understand, so Mr. Saurabh Mukherjee has written a book on this topic. He is a founder and CEO of Marcellus Investment Manager, and he has written a book named Coffee Can Investment Only, which talks about how to build your portfolio of fundamental great companies and how to diversify your portfolio and keep investing in that portfolio and build your wealth or fortune over a period of time. But this coffee can investment has originated very long time ago. So in older times, people used to keep their valuables in the coffee can and used to hide that under the mattresses and forget about that what they have kept under the mattresses for a longer period of time, even a decades. Mr. Robert Kirby, who is one of the investor from the US, he has adopted this coffee can investment in his investing portfolio in the stock market in 1984. So from there it has originated and it has become famous among the investor in the stock market. Now let's understand how you can build your coffee can investment portfolio. In the screener also we are going to see practically how you can build your coffee can portfolio. So I will just tell you what are the steps you should follow to build your portfolio. So the first and most critical part of building this strategy to invest for a longer period of time is to identify the fundamental great companies. So what are the steps to identify those fundamental great companies? So according to Coffee Can Investment, which is written in the book of Saurabh Mukherjee, so he has mentioned 3-4 steps, which I am going to mention one by one. First step is the company should have the ROCE of greater than 15% from last 10 years. The second point is the company should have a sales growth of more than 10% year on year. So he is not talking about the CAGR, but he is talking about year on year 10% sales growth over a period of 10 years. Now the third point is the market capitalization should be more than 100 crore. So that is the third point. And the fourth point it talks about is it should be a brand value and it has a competitive edge over its competitor. So these are the basic points which you can, with the help of which you can build your coffee can portfolio. So now let me show you in the screener how you can build your coffee can portfolio and how easily you can get the this coffee can portfolio for your investment purpose. We are in the screener. So if you click on the screener, it has an inbuilt coffee can investment popular formulas inbuilt in it. So you can see here coffee can portfolio as per Saurabh Mukherjee. If you can click on this, so it will open the list of 173 company as per the rule which we have discussed. So with a single click, you can get this list of company. So currently it is showing 173. So you no need to take all the list of company and build your portfolio, because we are talking about long-term investment here. So as far as the diversification is concerned, you can diversify your portfolio by investing 5 to 8% or even 10% in a single stock. So at the most, you can have a 15 to 20 numbers of stock in your portfolio, which can be a diversified portfolio. So out of this 173, you can choose or identify the best 15-20 stocks, and you can create your portfolio as far as this approach of coffee can investment is concerned. As I mentioned, I have made some modification in my coffee can investment. So why I did that, let's talk about first. So I can see a few challenges, as this is a list of 173 company. I have made a few modification in the formula. So if I can take you below, so you can see in the search query, you have got the different formula through which you can build your or identify the good fundamental great companies. So to build my coffee can portfolio, I have made some changes in the formula which is given by the Saurabh Mukherjee, and I have taken only 3 critical parameters. So sales growth greater than 10%. The second criteria is average return on capital employed for last 10 years. Instead of 15%, I have taken more than 30%, so that it will give me, it will give us the fundamental best of the best company out of those 173 lists. And now instead of market capitalization of more than 1,000 crore, I have taken market capitalization of more than 5,000 crore. So if I run this query, I will get the best of best fundamental great company to build my coffee can portfolio. And I have built my investment portfolio through these 3 criteria. I'm repeating once again how I have made my portfolio. The first criteria is sales growth of last 10 years year on year. I have taken more than 10%. The second criteria, average return of capital employed. Instead of 15%, I have taken more than 30%. And the third criteria, that is market capitalization, instead of more than 1,000 crore, I have taken more than 5,000 crore. So instead of 173 companies, we have got 38 companies. I will share the list of best companies also in the description box. You can check those list also, because from that only I have built my portfolio. And in the second part of the video, we are going to analyze how this portfolio are working from the last 5 years. Now let's talk about the challenges because of which I made the modification in the formulas. So you have seen that the list has a very big list of 173 companies from the Saurabh Mukherjee's coffee can investment portfolio list. We want only 15, 20 or 25 best companies to build our portfolio. The first challenge was to identify the best of the best companies from that 173 company list. The second challenge is, as we are talking about the ROCE of greater than 50%, so it ignores automatically the financial sector in it. So because financial sector as their business is to take loan and give loan to the customer, so that is why their ROCE is always less than 10%, not even more than 10%. So that is why that formula ignores the financial sector, which is also one of the key sector when it comes to building your portfolio. So that is why I have taken the market leader from this financial sector, that is banking sector, insurance sector, AMC sector. All this sector I have listed out and identify the market leader and build my portfolio of best 30-35 companies list. So again, that I will share in the description box. So to conclude our part 1, before concluding, I would like to mention few of the key points here. So first key point is, here we are talking about the investment for a period of 10, 15 or even 20 years. So in between, suppose you have invested and build your portfolio of 15, 20 stocks, you can invest in those companies, identified list of companies in different manner. So the first one is you can do a lump sum investment in those stocks which you have identified. The second is you can keep aside the savings every month and do it in a SIP. Now the second point, as this is a long-term investment, once you have invested in that company, you are not investing in that stock, you are investing in the business. So you need to be very comfortable and you have to be thorough about that business before investing in that particular company. Now, why this is important is because it is a long-term investment approach. Even the stock prices are going up and down in between. We are not going to get worried about why it is going up and down. So we will be keep investing in those particular company whenever there is an opportunity of investment. So that particular opportunity which I am talking about, that we are going to discuss in detail in the second part. So please watch that second part, then only you will get how to invest in your identified list of company, because in part 1 we only talk about what coffee can investment is all about, what are the changes I made. And so the first part is all about the basics of the coffee can investment, but the second part is very, very important, because the coffee can investment is not only building your portfolio, but investing at the right time whenever the opportunity is available, and investing consistently to build your wealth and create your wealth over the period of time. So I hope you have liked this video. I will see you in part 2. Thank you.